dividing fractions by mixed numbers and vice versa. Given number 1, divide 2/5 by 3 and 1/4. First, itong ating divisor ay ating lang i-convert muna into improper fraction. Ganito po. Ngayon ating munang write itong ating dividend na 2/5. Okay, yan na. Ngayon, sa pag-convert ng improper fraction, multiply lang natin yung whole number dito sa denominator. So, 3 times 4, that is 12. Then, i-add natin sa numerator na 1 plus 1, that is 13. Then, copy ang denominator na 4. Okay, that is 13 over 4. Next steps, after natin convert ang divisor sa improper fraction, ating ito naman i-reciprocal. Then, proceeds to multiplication. Ating i-multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Ganito po. 2 times 4 equals 8. Then, ang denominator naman, 5 times 13 equals 65. So, ito po ang ating final answer, 8 over 65. Next, try this one. It's your turn. Comment your answer.